My aim for this weekend is to fiercely love each one of you and to ignite a do-what-it-takes fire inside of you. And I'm here to stand with you for the future that you say you want. The future that you want is dependent on you becoming the woman that you say you want to be. Just take a deep breath and just get presenced into this moment. That for the next 2.5 days, everything else ceases. Forget everything else. Your kids are okay. Your house is okay. The to-do list will still be there. It's all okay. Do it is about breaking normal. If you want to break through your upper limit, you have to break normal. What's been normal up until now has served you, but it's no longer working for you to get where you want to go. But you're going to have to break normal.
I'm different. I'm different now, and I'm so grateful. I feel like I'm leaving here in just deep gratitude. So thank you.
This phrase, if you really think about it, we're going to be using it this weekend because up until now, you've been with life a certain way. You've moved through finances a certain way. You've moved through relationships in a certain way. You've moved through your life in a certain way up until now. And everything up until this moment is how you've chosen to do life up until now. You get to choose what you do with every moment after. Opportunities come and opportunities pass, but maybe you haven't fully embraced it for your own life yet. And we're here this weekend because you've made a decision to not let opportunities pass you by any longer. You maybe don't even fully know why you're here. You're like, what the heck am I here for? What am I doing? What is this all about? I've read everything you guys want, that you're longing for. They're all different, but there's just a common theme of I'm done letting opportunities pass me by.
What I want you to think about if you're contemplating coming to Rise is, what is it going to cost you if you don't?